Hi guys, welcome back to the Laravel 6.0 video tutorial, and in this video we are going to learn about the blade template layout. So these are some major points that we are going to cover in this video. So first of all, we will learn about some theoretical part of the blade template inheritance, which is a major part of layout. Alright, then we will make a master page for the layout, and it will be used for a globally use as a global layout of in our application. And after that I will apply this master page layout to the child, and then I will add some style so that you can see some header, footer and content part. All right, and I after at the last I will apply the master page layout to the some more pages. All right, so now let's see first question with what is the blade template inheritance. So for that I'm just going to show you layout. So here you can see that when we are just making a website or application, some part are already been defined for a master layout, as you can see that. So such as header, footer, sidebar, they are global for a whole site. All right, so when we just make a page, then we have to inherit the global layout to the child page. All right, so for that we will make a template and we will inherit this template to the every child page, and the global layout will be automatically come on an every page. All right, so basically you can say that the header, footer and the navigation bar, this is the master layout which is defined globally, and the content part is our current page part. All right, so let's say we want to define some username, then these are going to be common, but this will be, we will show here a user here. So let's say we want to show some products, then these three are still common, and this page will be gonna dynamic with every page. All right, so don't be confused if you are not getting something. Now let's see with the code and you will understand it better. So first of all, I'm just going to make a master layout page. For that I'm going to make a one more page inside the view. All right, so which is the layout dot blade dot php. You can just make it correct as in spell. All right, so you can put the any name, it's not necessary that you have to only put the layout. Okay, so after that I'm just going to make an HTML part, and I'm defining two more part here, header and body also. Then make it nice for with the format. Okay, so first of all I'm just going to define a title, and this title should be like a page name, and after that we will use the a derivative which is the yield. All right, and in this I'm just going to put here title. That means it will take the input from the child page and show here. Like if I'm going to show the user page, then it will show the page name user, page name company, like this. All right, so after making this, let's define some more things. Let's say the next section is header, so I'm just going to use a section. At the section let's use your header, and here I can define some div and putting a name of it like header, and this class only used for the style, which is I will make a very lightweight style here, and h1 tag like header. Okay, so this will be going our master header for every selection, and with the same as I'm just going to make a footer also, and you can just replace this for very quick things. Okay, so usually you will see there a yield derivative and a section derivative. Yield derivatives means we will get the input from child page, and section means we will use this, or we can send this data to the child as in global. All right, when I will inherit it, it will going to be more clear. Okay, so the both thing is defined here, title is defined, header is defined, and footer is defined. Let's make a content also. So for that, let's I'm going to define a div tag here and make a class here. In the class, it's a content, and the same thing let's make here at the rate yield, and in the yield you can simply write here content. Okay, so now you can see that our layout is ready, header is ready, footer is ready, and content is ready. So now I'm just going to open my user page here, and I will apply this master layout on my user page. So let's see how we can apply. This is my user page. So first of all, I'm going to remove it, and the second thing is, first of all, I need to extend or inherit the my master page, and my last master page name is layout. Nice. After that, I'm just going to use a section, which is first one is title, and in the title I will just put the page name user. Nice. And now use the one more section. Sorry, that's my bad. The section, just put a header, and with the header part just end it, and in the middle I just have to put the @parent. That means the data will come from this side. This is going to be parent. And one more thing, guys, actually I forgot, we have to use here show, and same thing I have to put here also. Alright, so we are just define the header section also. Let's define the same as in a footer section, and at this with that, let's make a one more section which is similar to the yield. Just define here content. The content middle part come from child page, because this is in child and this is the master, and this is come from the middle page. Okay, middle user page part. Okay, so now layout is ready. Now let's see on the output with the page. I think I just have to put here content. That's my bad. So now let's see. Before that it's looking like this, but after applying the layout, then you can see that there is the username, user word is going from here, and center part is going from here, and header and footer are coming from this page. Okay, so now let's make more nice with the style. So for that, let's go on the header page, and here I'm just going to define a style tag, and in the style let's make dot header and dot footer and dot content. Alright, so now I'm just going to apply some little bit style here. So let's write here with his okay background color, padding is like 20 pixel, and text align center. Okay, let's just copy it and paste on the header and footer. With that, just make position is center. Let's make it spell correct. Okay, and just put here bottom 0, and let's apply some text with the body. Margin is 0. Okay, so I think I just have to use on the footer. Now you can see that header and footer is here, and the center part, just make some height for now, let's say 200 pixel, and that's it. Yep. And if you just want to make some color, then this is also okay. Let's make some good color. Yep, think that's okay. Padding 20 pixel, and I'm not actually more about styling, but I just want to show. So now you can see that we got a layout on that page, and if you want to apply the similar thing on the another page also, then just copy from here and go on the company page. With the company page, just just go on the user page, copy this thing on the company page, and with the text you can write here company data will be here like this. Okay, and that's okay. And if you just go on the user page, company page, then this is like more like this. So this is from the company page, and this, now you can see that how we can make the common layout for every page. All right, so in the next video I will show you that how we can use the common style, common jQuery, common bootstrap file, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.